science experiment and we'll be learning two things. They are how air pressure works and how temperature affects gases. So let's begin. The things we need are a glass, colored water, plate, a candle and a lighted candle. First, we'll be putting the colored water into the plate. Now, place the candle in the plate. Now, light up the candle. Now, cover the candle with the transparent glass. You will see that the water has been entered and the light of the candle is been going lower and lower. Did you see that the water inside the glass? Now I'll tell you what happened.
Let's see what happened here. As I said before, there are two things we need to understand. Number one was air pressure. Air is around as everywhere. It puts pressure on everything. The same air was putting pressure on water. So when it put pressure, the water came up. But why the water came up only when candle went out? The effects of temperature on gases. When you heat a gas, it expands, and when you cool it down, it contracts. When the candle was burning, I trapped the expanded air in the glass. When the candle went out, the same air contracted because it cooled down and it got more space for the water to go up, and air pressure outside made the water go up.
Hope you enjoyed the experiment. So, thank you for today.